Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some tips and trick to save your battery life on iPhone. So first you go to settings, scroll down to privacy, and then you scroll to the very bottom that says analytics and improvements. So tap there, and then you turn off the share iPhone analytics. So this data is to help Apple improve. So it sends automatically sending daily diagnostics to Apple. So you can just turn that off, and then you can also turn off your location services if it's not used, because that drains a lot of battery. And then that's it. So I hope this trick helps, and thank you for watching.